Hey everyone, it is like 10:30 p.m. and I think I just got the motor finally working the right way on this. I did a test run so far with the belt off, so no load, and it went okay. But now it is time to test with load. Belt is on, and we are ready to rock and roll. So let's see how it does. All right, so quick tour. 2 half-inch belt, 1.5 horsepower, 220 circuit on a 20 amp. Got the tracking and blade all adjusted. Got all of the tools cleaned off. And it's time to see if she starts. Hold your breath. Now, she had a good habit of only running for about 20 seconds or so. So I'm leaving it running. You can see there's a little bit of a shake. That's just not tight. That sound is my blade guard here hitting. That's easy wood. What do we have for hard stuff? A little chunk of mahogany. And yeah, oh, it's so good to have her running. So let's open up and you can see the beauty that is the giant spinning blade behemoth. Remember, it's only a 1725 motor, so that does have some significant weight behind it though. So let's watch it slow down. And I absolutely can feel a pulsation in the concrete slab here. I'm pretty sure we only have a 2-inch slab in the garage. I mean, not bad for freehand and a 100-year-old saw. So happy. That is the longest I've run it. That was the first time it ran under load. I didn't pop a breaker. I didn't pop a reset. Put a fork in it. This project, aside from finishing the paint job, is done. Oh, no, it's not done. There's more. But wait, there's more. So, when I got this, it came with the wood table. And I posted on OWM rather, saying I would like a cast iron one, and 30 days, within 30 days I got an email that someone had one. So it's on its way up here. It's already come from, I believe, Alabama to Sacramento and is on its way up to Portland soon. So looking forward to having a table that's cast iron. It'll be a little heavier. It'll give a little more stability. Not that this isn't good. It's actually really pretty well built. But it'll be nice to have a cast iron tabletop there as well. So happy. Anyhow, I'll stop gloating about my giant bandsaw for a little bit, at least until I finish the paint job, which, you know what? Let's not end here. Let me show you guys what I got going for that. I'm gonna try to prop you up here. All right, that worked well. Kinda. Until I drop my iPhone, knock over the baby monitor, and knock my iPhone into the big bag of baking soda down beneath it right now, which would be hell to clean up. All right, so let me see height-wise. So, those of you who know this, saw in the story about it, know this came from a federal judge here in town who recently passed. So I decided to name it. It will be the first tool I've named, actually. It's kind of a weird thing, but it has too much history not to have an identity. So I had these made up. It will be the Judge. Sweet, right? I think so. I don't care what anyone else thinks. It's my shop. I do what I want. I do what I want! Anyhow. So thrilled. And, oh yeah. Turns the light off. Love having a separate control. I'm gonna have to do that for the little one. Really nice to be able to turn that on before you start the saw. Cool. So happy. See ya.